Good day students, today we will continue with our previous topic, that is Introduction to Computer System. So today's topic is input and output devices. What do you mean by input devices? Input devices are the devices which help to enter data into computer system. For example, keyboard, mouse, touch screen, barcode reader, scanner, MICR, OMR, etc. These all are what your input devices. You can see in the image also that how the barcode reader, MICR, OMR look like. MICR basically used in bank sector. Okay. Next is keyboard. What keyboard is the most common input devices which we use which we use in our everyday life. Okay, these are the arrangements of button or keys in a keyboard. Each press of a key typically corresponds to a single written symbol. Okay, however, some symbols require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence. Like if you want to copy, so two buttons to be hold at a time. Okay, like control and C, two keys to be holded at a same time. Okay, next, whilst most keyboard keys produces letter, number or character, other keys or simultaneous key presses can produce actions or computer command. You can see there are in the first keys are being represented as what your function keys. From F1 to F12 are being notified as what your function key. Okay, next is your numeric key. In the right hand side of your keyboard, you can see the numeric keys are available. From 0 to number 9 is available, as well as there are various symbols are being used for the arithmetic logical operation, for using the arithmetic logical operation. Okay, like plus, minus, into. Arithmetic work we can use using this symbol. Okay, next is alt key is there, enter key is there, next arrow key is there. For navigation we use arrow key. Okay, next is control key. This all keys combination are being available in where? In your keyboard. Next is your mouse. What is mouse? A mouse, mouse in the plural we can say is mice or mouses. Okay, is a handheld pointing devices that detects two-dimensional motion relatively to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. For moving from one place to another, we use what? Your mouse. Okay, next there are two types of mouse. First one is mechanical mouse and second one is your optical mouse. First, what do you mean by mechanical mouse? Mechanical mouse is a computer mouse that contains a metal or rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is rolled in any direction, sensor inside the mouse detect this motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer in the same. Okay, next is what is optical mouse now? Optical mouse is an advanced computer pointing devices that used a light emitting diode known as what? Your LED, an optical sensor and digital signal processing DSP in place of traditional mouse ball and an electromechanical transducer. Okay, in optical mouse there are two types, wired and wireless. Okay, both the mouse you have used. Next is your scanner. What do you mean by scanner? Scanner is a device that optically scans whatever we want to scan. We use what? Scanner for scanning our images or anything else. Okay, and converts it into digital image. Next is joystick. Where we use joystick? Basically we use joystick where at the time of playing some games. Okay, joystick is an input devices consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the devices as it is controlling. Okay, many people uses joysticks on computer games involving flight, such as flight simulator. Okay, joysticks are often used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by the computer. Next is your output devices. What are output devices? Whatever the output we are getting, through what? Your output devices we are getting what? Your output. The output devices are those devices which help us to display the processed information. Whatever the information has been processed in your CPU, that information are being get through what? Your output devices. Okay, The examples of output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, projector, etc. This all are what are output devices. You can see in the image also, printer, plotter is there, projector. What do you mean by, I think printer, you know, projector also you have seen. What is plotter? Okay, plotter produces the vector graphics drawing. By using plotter, we can be able to draw lines on paper using a pen. In the past, plotters were used in applications such as your computer-aided design, as they were able to produce line drawing much faster and in a higher quality. Okay. Next is printer. What is printer? Printer produces the results on the paper. There are various type of printer available in the market. We'll discuss one by one. First one is your dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer uses the ribbon and hammer technology. Its quality is not very good, but it prints by making the object using the small dots. That's why using dots we use what your dot matrix printer. That's why the name has been given as what a dot matrix printer, because the object are used using what your object has been made by using what your small dots. Okay, next is your inkjet printer. What is inkjet printer? It creates a digital images by propelling droplets of ink onto the paper. By inserting the droplets of ink, we can be able to create the digital images using what your inkjet printer. Next is your laser jet printer. They uses the laser technology to print the document. It produces the high quality printing and very high speed. Next is your monitor. What is monitor? It is the primary output devices where we see the output. It looks like what a TV. Okay, it is known as VDU. VDU means what? Visual display unit. It displays display may be in form of CRT, LED, and LCD. We see one by one. What is CRT? CRT is what a the abbreviation of CRT is what a cathode ray tube. The technology which is being used in most older television and computer display screen. Okay, next is LCD. LCD is what a liquid crystal display. The abbreviation is what a liquid crystal display. It is a flat panel display technology commonly used in TVs and computer monitor. It is also used in screen for mobile devices, as well as we can see in laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Okay, next is LED. LED's abbreviation is what? Light emitting diode. So light emitting diode is a semiconductor devices that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. Next topic is your memory unit. Memory unit is what? Memory is used to store the data for later references. The smallest unit is what? A bit, which means either 0 or 1. There is the chart being displayed over here. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. 1 bit is the smallest unit. Okay, next 1 nibble is equals to 4 bits. 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 byte, or we can equate as 2 raised to 10 byte. Next is 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobyte, or we can equate it as 2 raised to 10 kilobyte. Next 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte, we can equate it as 2 raised to 10 megabit. 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte, which we can equate it as 2 raised to 10 gigabit. Next 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabyte, we can equate it as 2 raised to 10 terabyte. Next 1 exabyte equal to 1024 petabyte equals to 2 raised to 10 petabyte. 1 zettabyte equals to 1024 exabyte, which equates 2 raised to 10 exabyte. Next 1 yottabyte equals to 1024 zettabyte, which is equals to 2 raised to 10 zettabyte.